Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about beta alanine. Beta alanine. What is beta alanine? It is a product of pyrimidine catabolism. It is a product of pyrimidine catabolism, that is cytidine and uridine undergoes catabolism and they form beta alanine. This beta alanine, it will again form malonic semialdehyde, which will again form malonyl CoA, and thus this malonyl CoA can be used for fatty acid synthesis. This beta alanine is also a component of pantothenic acid. Then if you see one more important thing, the pantothenic acid combines with beta-mercapto. When pantothenic acid combines with beta-mercapto ethanolamine and it forms coenzyme A. Then one more important reaction is this beta alanine will also combine with histidine and it forms carnosine. So in carnosine synthesis, this beta alanine is actually considered as rate limiting component. It is considered as rate limiting component in carnosine synthesis, component of carnosine synthesis. What does this carnosine made up of? This carnosine is actually, what is carnosine? It is 3-alanine plus histidine. What does this carnosine do? 3-beta-alanine and histidine. This carnosine is actually concentrated in the muscle and brain, and carnosine has antioxidant property. It has antioxidant property and it improves endurance in the muscle. Okay, so this is about carnosine. Thank you.